Keep watching to see how to make an easy and delicious strawberry almond cake, which you can make and share with your loved ones. Let me take you through the ingredients to bake this cake. You would be needing refined flour, sugar, curd, almond powder or almond flour, chopped strawberries, chopped almonds, some sliced strawberries and almonds to garnish, milk, baking powder and baking soda. We'll start by adding 1 cup curd, 3/4 cups of sugar and 1 cup oil to a mixing bowl. The curd should be at room temperature. The oil that you would be using should be any flavorless oil. It can also be refined oil like I have used. Whisk these ingredients really well till the sugar completely dissolves. You can use a hand whisk or even an electronic beater. Next, add in some vanilla essence, around a teaspoon. You can even use vanilla extract. Whisk this for a minute and then add almond powder or almond flour. Almond powder is very easy to make at home. You just need to grind the almonds to a fine powder. Mix the almond powder well with the wet ingredients. Next, you need to sift in 1.5 cups of refined flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. In an eggless cake, it is always better to sift in the dry ingredients and add them to the wet ingredients, as this helps the cake to be fluffy, soft and moist. Fold in the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients using the cut and fold method. If the batter seems too dry, add 1/3 cup of milk and mix it again using the cut and fold technique till a smooth batter is formed. Now comes my favorite part. Add lots of chopped almonds and fresh strawberries to give it a beautiful color, texture and flavor. Once you have added the strawberries and almonds, and if you still feel the batter is dry, you can add some more milk. Once the cake batter is ready, transfer it to a 9-inch cake tin lined with parchment paper. Garnish it with sliced strawberries and sliced almonds and bake it in the oven at 180 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. Super soft, moist and delicious strawberry almond cake is ready. Once you unmold the cake, let it cool down completely before enjoying it with your loved ones. I hope you all liked the recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.